Hello guys, welcome back. I hope you're well. AlexTheGrumpyOne here, and I've got a video for you today that's been requested on the Footwell Lights Upgrade to the LED units. So all you're going to need is two 501 LED bulbs. You need to make sure they're error free so you don't get the warning light on your dashboard. And today I'm going to do a video to show you obviously how to replace them, because you don't need the whole actual light unit. You can replace the bulbs themselves and that's it. It's going to be cheaper as well. So I'm going to show you how to do that today, and obviously show you the difference from the original ones to the new units. You can get them in different colors as well. Like I said, I will put this one in the description below, a link for them, but you can obviously request different colors, so have a look at that as well. Right guys, so this is the original lights that you got. Obviously when you open the door, they're on the full intensity. Don't forget that you can adjust your intensity of light when you're driving, or if you want them off as well, by using your dash navigation menu there. So I can show you how to do that. Right guys, so this is just to show you obviously how to adjust your footwell lights. So if you go into the menu, lights and vision, press OK, and you got footwell lights there. So this is the option only from when the ignition is on, or when the engine is running or you're driving. So I usually got it turned off, but I just want to show you, if you switch it on, you obviously can adjust it. The lowest you'll go is 20, which is the darkest one. As you can see, that's very dim. And what I'm going to do now is, while I'm filming, I'm going to go all the way to 100%, just so you can see the difference. So we're on 70 now, 80, 90, 100. So this is the original light still, as you can see. Now I'm going to go down as well to 20%. There you go. So that's how you adjust them, guys. Right guys, to get the units out of there, it's nice and easy. Either get a flat blade screwdriver to get under it, as you can see here. Obviously you need to make sure it's not on the side of the plug. As you can see, it's start coming out already. And then just pull it out. You need to be careful that you're not pulling the wrong side, in case someone put it in the wrong way. And just unplug it by squeezing them two tabs there. The other way of getting it out of there, guys, let me just push it back in. If you haven't got a screwdriver, just get your fingers behind the cover there and push on that side. That way you can feel obviously where the plug is as well. Push on that side and slide it out again. So now we're just gonna unplug it. Next step will be taking this metal cover off so you can get to 501 bulb. And it's obviously exactly the same on the other side, on the driver's side, to get the light out. Right guys, so here we've got the two new LED units that we're going to be fitting in, and this is the light unit that we just removed. Like I said, all you have to do now is remove this metal cover, so you got two plastic locators there that are holding it on, both sides, as you can see. So what we're going to do now is bend the metal cover slightly off of there, lift it up. As you can see, it's starting to slide off already. The same on this side. Bend that off, and that comes off. As you can see, that's off now, and you got a little 501 bulb there that we're gonna remove now. I'm gonna show you obviously how to get it out of there. Right guys, so to get the old bulb out of there, all you have to do is push it out of there using a screwdriver. There you go, that come out now. And to fit a new one, it is a little bit awkward position, but if you slide it in there slowly, so look, there we are. Just locate it in there. Obviously make sure that metal contact points are going to be touching the metal frame. There you go, slide it in and it's locked in, guys. That's all done. All you have to do now is squeeze that a little bit together, the bits that you've bent out, and fit it back on there. Clip it together and job done, guys. Now we're ready to go and connect it back to your car. Right guys, so here's just a quick difference obviously in the color. As you can see, this is the old unit, and here we got the new one that we just fitted. Look at that, that is much brighter and cooler color, so I'm definitely happy with that. I'm just going to change obviously the driver's side as well. Right guys, so both of the units are fitted now. Just wanted to show you quickly what it looks like now. Much brighter and much cooler color. I definitely love it, so I'm going to keep that. And don't forget, you can also adjust when the ignition is on. Obviously, or you're driving, you can adjust. If it's too bright for you, you can lower it down. Right guys, as you can see, nice little improvement on your interior guys. All you need is 2 LED bulbs. You can find them in the description below in the link that I posted on there. Don't forget you got choice of the colors. Obviously I went for the white ones, and I think it's nice handy feature as well on the VW that you can adjust the intensity of the light. So check your menu as well to make sure that it's either full or adjust it obviously to your liking. But yeah, I think it only takes less than 5 minutes guys. All you need is flat blade screwdriver and obviously the bulbs, and job done guys. So this one's definitely error free because I'm not getting any errors on the dashboard, so that's all cool. And yeah guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give us a subscribe, like, and also comment below if you got any future suggestions or if you need help with something else or review a demo on another product. So thank you very much for watching this video guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.